Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson and you need to remove or replace AC compressor. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that and what you need to do, guys. So most of you, if you have a bad compressor, we'll explain how you may not even need to replace the compressor. So make sure to stay until the end and we'll try to save you quite a bit of money. Now we're demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine, but the procedure may actually apply to other engines as well. You gotta verify that everything looks the same, but for the 2.4 GDI, that generation, it should apply to multiple years. So let's explain how to do that now. So let me introduce you to the channel quick, guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Another thing, if you need to buy tools or parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, you can check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our supplies and tools from. So, when removing the AC compressor, you have to make sure that the AC system is completely drained and you have no freon. It's illegal to just release the freon in the atmosphere, and it's harmful as well. It's not good for you guys, so you can get a big fine. I think $10,000-$15,000. Never release the freon in the atmosphere. You can take it to an AC shop for a small charge. They can vacuum the system, they'll suck all the freon out. Or you can buy a recycling freon machine. That's not very expensive, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So once you do that, let's explain what next you need to do. Ours is completely drained. So right here, okay, now we need to disconnect, okay, the wiring harness, okay, from that clip right there. Right here now, okay, that's the wire right there. So I need to press down here and pull it out. Okay, perfect, and the wire is loose. Next, let's go ahead and disconnect the hoses. Make sure again you don't have any pressure in the AC system. You can always put a gauge on the low pressure AC port and verify that you don't have any pressure. I would even recommend to do it on the high pressure port. 10mm socket, and we're going to remove the two nuts, okay, that actually, okay, one nut per line that hold the AC lines. Oh, perfect. This one fell. Now, always wear eye protection gloves, because even though the system is empty, you may still have a little bit of residual pressure that's, okay, stuck in the compressor itself. So let's explain now, okay, what else we need to do. Perfect. Now, the serpentine belt, guys, okay, you can see the serpentine belt needs to be removed. That's your tensioner. In our case, it's 14mm. We go counterclockwise. You release the pressure of the belt and you pull it out. Now, the serpentine belt is loose and out of the way. What else holds that AC compressor in place? Pretty simple, 4 bolts, guys, with 12mm socket. 1, 2 right here, and 2 you have on the bottom, as you can see over there. So let's go ahead and do that. My light quit working. Great. Hold it, because on the last bolt it can easily fall on you. You will be working from under the vehicle and it's heavy, guys. It can hurt you. So let's go ahead, grab it. You might need to move it a little bit, okay, with a screwdriver, because it may be stuck. Because it has 2 metal guides, okay. Okay, and it came out, guys. That's the AC compressor. Okay, that's one of the metal guides here, and one is on the engine block itself right there. You need to clean them. They have a little bit of corrosion and rust as well. Now, if that compressor doesn't work, very often, guys, okay, you may not have a bad compressor, you may have a bad valve that activates the compressor. That's actually your clutch. So we have a special video that explains how to test the AC compressor valve and how to replace it as well, because in most cases you don't need to replace your compressor. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.